Hey guys, Makeup by Sophie here, back with another video for you all. If you cannot tell by this title, if you cannot already tell, this is a first impressions, my first whack of some new makeup bits. Now, I must admit there was a few things that I had to correct, that I had to substitute, or didn't have something new of, but literally 90% of the video is stuff that I haven't tried before, and some of it was good, some of it. So I'll just let you go on ahead and watch it and let me know what you think. And I'd really I'd really love your support. Like, comment, subscribe. I can't believe I've turned into one of these annoying people who says stuff like that, but I now understand why, you know, people do say it in these videos. So thanks for watching, goodbye, or not goodbye, this is the intro, and action. Hello, what is up? It is the ripe hours of the morning and I have a long day ahead of me of meetings and college and so on and so forth. So I thought today would be a good day to trial some new products, i.e. do a first impressions. I haven't done one of these in a while. Last one I did one of these didn't go down too well because everything ended up being not very good, i.e. So I'm more hopeful for today. Some of it is pure, some of it I bought myself, and we shall dive straight in. This is the Madison Makeup Primer, Luminizing Pore Minimizing Vitamin E. Okay, we like luminizing and we like pore minimizing. I have oily combination skin, so I feel like primer, come on, there she is. Eee. Doesn't really have a smell. So, oh, okay. Feels like a really lightweight moisturizer. Probably squirted out too much, but that's fine. We'll make do. I have these Sosu Beauty Blending Sponges. 2 sponge expands. Oh, it expands to double the size. There's not 2 sponges in this. Sponge is wet. First impressions is it. Alright, I'm away. First impressions, it's very similar to the Real Technique sponge in the shape and the squeeze, but really bouncy, really easy to wet. Dive right in. This is maybe a little bit light for my tan, but I'll be contouring and stuff, so we'll fix it then. It's been so annoying. I haven't had time to record this first impressions, but I've been dying to try all this makeup, but I was like, no, you can't until you've tried them on camera. So I'm really excited that I'm finally getting to try them, even though I've tried this foundation. I couldn't resist. Okay? Okay. I kept the coverage. I definitely can see that luminizing element from the Madison primer. Yeah. Okay. To the other side and I'll be right back. Everyone on YouTube is raving about this concealer and I'm a super big fan of their foundation for going out. Ooh! Jesus! That's huge! Let me find my usual concealer. How many mils? No wonder it was €18. Kind of thrilled. 4 mils. 5 mils. 4 mils, 5 mils. Okay, scratch that. It's just the packaging. But oh my god. Look at that. One sweep. Holy god. So, I'm just gonna... Oh, what? What? Can you see that there? It's like disappearing, but going patchy. Like it's just gone a bit weird. It's a bit weird. Now that did something weird again there. Can you see that? Cheeks on my nose are dry, so I feel like it's just like not blending out over them, so I'm just gonna take my regular concealer because like I have stuff to do today. I don't want to look crazy, and I'm just gonna apply that over top. Concealer, is done. So yeah, that UA one, not a good first impression. I'm gonna need to go and try it again and try and suss it out. So next up we have powder, and I got the Fenty Beauty for my birthday. Now I've opened this and tried it, but I haven't like examined it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on one side with a brush and the other side with a sponge and see throughout the day what changes. So next we have some cream contouring sticks. So these are also So Sue. I have a warm and dark shade. Ooh, the dark. We're gonna put it on our face. So I'm gonna take, like, this is the dark, but this color is definitely more of a, like a cool brown, whereas this is more of like a warm brown. I'm just gonna use the warm one along the jaw. Of my crown brush, this is the one I've been using for contouring. So I always make this mistake when I'm cream contouring. I should do one side at a time because the product's gonna dry over here. Oh, that's blending out. Oh my god, I don't look like a patchy mess. Okay, because then, like, you know, I should do it one side at a time because then this side dries by the time I get over to it, and then it's just a holy show. Okay, now I need to stop because I'm getting overexcited. Someone needs to take the contours off me and I need to move on. For blush, I'm going to be using this Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Between the Sheets. Looks like this. Oh, that's such a pretty colour. It looked a lot darker in the packet. Onto my cheeks. I like a lot of blusher. I also like a blusher with the sheen. This doesn't look like it has a sheen, but oh, she's subtle. Focus on the blusher. See the brush strokes. This is a cream blush. I don't have any cream blushes. That's so exciting. I was wondering, I was like, how does a powder get affected that fast? Like with one sweep of a brush. Like usually the design fades after like a few goes. It's pretty. It's subtle. It doesn't have a sheen, but you know, it's doing its thing. I don't hate it. I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Mar palette. So that is what the palette looks like. It's got some neutrals, but it's got some fun colours, and blue is definitely my favourite for the eyes. I'm going to take the shade Boozy. I'm going to do something really soft. I just wanted to test out these eyeshadows. Okay, she's there. So that is Boozy, just evenly blended through my crease, nothing major. And I'm going to take the shade Top Down. It won't. I'm just going over that. So that is the eyes done. Might just go in with like one of the oranges. I'm just going to take this guy here. And oh wow. Alright then. I didn't realise we were doing that, but I'm fine with that. That is fine by me. See, that's now to me a yellow, and on camera it is proper orange. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop off and do my brows and come back for lashes. I ordered a brown eyeliner. It's LA Girl. It comes with a little brush. I actually love these little brushes. And it's brown in shape. Yeah, it's brown in shape. It's brown in colour. It kind of just looks like a black, but it's not as harsh as a black. But like, it looks like a black. Like so. That definitely adds a lot more smokiness to the look. Just to the other eye, and I'll be right back. So I'm just going to be taking the new Rebel Una lashes. I'm just going to be taking the middle pair here. I've worn the top pair, and this is her new selection of lashes. Lashes on, so just pop on a bit of mascara over them. For lips, I have this beautiful box from Iconic London, so I did get sent this of their new lip glosses. at these. So I think I'm gonna go for this one, maybe this one. Either of these two. Pretty pigmented. Yeah, that's like a colour. So that shade is Nearly Nude. Oh, that was a shite swatch. This one is Do Not Disturb. I think I'm going to go for Do Not Disturb. And then go in with the gloss. They're plumping glosses as well. Oh wow. Oh yes. That is so bloody pigmented for just a gloss. Tastes mentholy because I add a small bit. Okay, so I have been obsessed with the Iconic London Prep Set and Glow, but I've only been using the shade, the lighter shade. I can't find the name. So I want to try the darker shade today. Just gonna, whoop. Okay, let's have my fan ready. So just gonna flap like hell. And that is the makeup complete. I'm gonna bring you up super close to show you the look. And how everything looks. The concealer has caked a small bit around my nose, just at the sides. My under eyes look a bit dry too, and so does my forehead. So, the verdict. Concealer, dry, too expensive, not worth it. Everything else in between was great. Contour sticks were my favourite. And yeah, like we'll see later on, I'll do a check back in tonight as to how everything wore together. Top ups, if I needed a top up, if the lashes came off, if the contour went patchy, I'll let you all know later on. Hello, I am just doing my, is it 10-hour check-in? Yep, 10-hour check-in. So, I don't know if you can see this, but the concealer, everywhere else is perfect, but the concealer has gone wallop. What the fuck is going on around my mouth? Everywhere else is perfect. My mascara is transferred a small bit, but that always happens. For now, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed the video. I'll leave my Instagram name here, and yeah, thanks so much. That's all I have to say. Goodbye now. Everyone, focus. Everyone, excuse me, I have a hair husband raving about this I need to find this hair. I need to find this hair. It's gonna rip him. It's gonna rip him. It's around like the Hulk, the way I'm saying that. There you go.